Oh, look at that, buddy. Look at that. I'm not sure if we updated when we got the grass. We've actually had it for a little bit. Plan to extend this carpet over and all the way down the hall. Oh, I left my lights on last night. Typically first thing in the morning is look at what's on the books for today. I have a studio session booked later this evening. That's at like 6 o'clock, which is good. I will be done with all my stuff by then. One day we will set up the shop to start doing Twitch streams. So I have this grand idea of linking our security cameras into a switcher that I can then pipe into a Twitch stream. So that if I'm doing stuff either in the print shop, I can cut to a wide to see what we've got going on here. Or say there's something cool going on in the front area, I can switch cameras to that. I think it could be super rad. I don't necessarily have the free time to do that right now, but when we do get free time, I think that would be badass. This is what we're going to be working on today. One thing I've done that is a huge no-no is I mocked up the design without referencing the colors on the wall. Typically you use a color book. I do not have one of those yet. I mean, you live and you learn, right? Pretty much I'm going through color by color and matching with what we actually have on this display. So that ain't it. I mean, come on. Oh. Okay, another big no-no. Don't wear white in a print shop because you, okay, crisis averted. I think the other color's black. Do I even have black? We got black. But do we have like this is so cool. But it's like, ooh, this is the wrong container. Okay, prime example. We bought this shop from another printer who was very like-minded with myself because this is gray. However, the container says it is magenta. Which means there's no telling what I have on the wall. There could be mixed ink in all of these. Is this bad? Is this like really bad? Could all of our ink not be? A very good reason why that is bad. Why it's good to mix your own colors and it's good to have custom colors, but it's bad in a sense that you only get this much. That when this is gone, that's it. I don't have any of the color codes that he used when he mixed this ink. So that means after this print is done, once this ink is gone, we will never be able to recreate that print exactly. We'll just make it a limited release. You only get as many as we print. And then when it's gone, it's truly actually gone. It's not a marketing scheme like I legitimately can't print anymore. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. We have our inks. Great. All right. Third t-shirt of the day, not bad. Let's go ahead and print those films out and let's get films going. Well. Shoes off. Hey, we did it. Dude. I don't know what it looks like. That's crazy. With nobody on it, you can't tell the scale. All right, so just walk towards me. Yeah, right now I'm just setting up the press, getting everything ready to go.
We got Brad there, and then we got the other ad there, and then we got Zach there. So Zach, is this the worst part of screen printing.
It's not the
mobile.
worst, but it is very tedious. These are your micro registration. So when you have a multicolor print going like we do right now, if you look on the screen, we have registration marks on the top and the bottom. So you print one color, then you bring your other screen down and you maneuver it, try and get your registration pretty on it. But I mean, that's pretty damn close.
Yeah.
So we've got yellow, pink, and our gray. So the last bit is going to be the green.
So did I have a pretty good initial put them in?
No.
No.
I'm happy with it. I think the design has turned out great. The press worked out great. And if you go buy one, that would be great. It's like all morning, it's peaceful. I can get all the business done. And then at night, we got studio sessions going. We're in here playing with lights.
Yeah, we get better. We go just super high.
There it is. Another day's work. Look what we have here. Inside these boxes is more of these carpet tiles. So if you remember, we covered the studio with all this carpet. And now our plan is to extend this area. We're gonna line all of that with carpet. The reason being, well, one, cover up all this crappy concrete, and two, kind of minimize footprints that may occur on our fresh new wall. So that is what we are going to be tackling today. So this is what we've got so far. We're still waiting on boxes. So I've gone through and taken the measurements, and I have enough to go from this point all the way to the front until the rest of the boxes show up.